In May 2013, we at Digicel carried out a survey, calling our new Digicel 4G customers to find out exactly what they thought about this awesome new service.
I use Digicel 4G because it's really fast. It helps me a lot with my business.
Besides browsing, Facebook, or if I need to know something right away, so far it never let me down. And all I can say is one thing: once I go 4G, I don't go back.
I have Digicel's 4G service for 1 month now, but I do believe I will be upgrading to the unlimited plan.
If you don't have Digicel 4G, get it because it's fast, it's easy, and it's fun.
We were humbled that customers took the time to talk to us and excited about the positive feedback we received. This, coupled with the latest report that we're the 3rd cheapest in the region for mobile data rates, confirms that we're on the right track.
Digicel. Make life easy.